Good morning, guys. Happy December 18th, 1 week before Christmas. And once again, it's raining here in Cebu. Look at the weather. It's so kuan ba? Tawanan kayo. Because yesterday we'll have sunny, or past couple days it's sunny, now it's raining. At that, you can barely see the capital gani. It's really fogging, raining. Although right now it's still early in the morning. It's still around it's before 7 a.m. It's 6 plus. Wait, what time is it ba? It's 6:59, or it's 7 a.m. So people are on the streets na. Buses, bikes, and even, of course, motorcycles and cars. So okay, jeep nakitaan today. So, but jeeps are back. You know that. Pero wala. There are not too many right now. Napamagoy mga bus. So, no. Hopefully everyone's gone in the transport sector. But hopefully everyone's at least making money. Yung sa mga taxi driver, they're at least, you know, although it's not the same as before, but you know, they have passengers. They made money, and their boundary or rent is even less. Pero money, this is the situation right now here in Escario. Traffic still light, no kuan. Although yes, compared before, if I'm out, you know, compare like 6 months ago or 4 months ago, kuan yun. Oh yeah, 6 months especially. Kuan yun, at this time it's so deserted ang daan eh. But now you can see a lot of cars, even as early as 7 a.m. Medyo ano nila volume ha, daghan na nila volume, because normally it's like sa una kaagitana you've seen in the past drives, is no, cars are so kuan lang. Very few cars are out at this time. Now yeah, motorcycles, there's buses. Dapat daw matadere. Yeah, it's a drive home, but this route we're gonna use check out Banilad area early morning. Our speed is quite kuan pa. It's quite alright. And now I'm still using the kuan, by the way, the Joby suction cup and gorilla pod arm. So kuan pa, and the cell phone I'm using right now is the Samsung A50. Yes. So mara na tong setup, very kuan, not really crude, but yeah, nothing high tech. But I don't know, probably I'll put a bigger gorilla pod in your pohon. Let's experiment and put let's say what you call it, maybe a DSLR or let's say maybe an action cam sa pohon. Tanaw na to, because we want to review also clients. Yeah, buhod, especially itong mga one, like my friends, GoPro Hero 9. We'll see how a GoPro Hero 9, you know, handle the sometimes the rough streets here. Or even sa kuwan lang, with this more stable mount, I think the shake is less. Really, even if it's shaky on the road, I can feel the shake. I can see the camera shaking even just a while ago. But I think when you review it, this one, you won't notice it. But in reality, right now, especially now, it's shaking. Well, maybe it's like uneven asphalt. Yeah, right now it's shaking. Probably all you will see is it's like the hood of this car is shaking. But in reality, it's the whole car that's shaking. Although this road, this area, I like the road here in this Banilad road, because it's quite even. So mana, the Banilad traffic is not gone pa. Very calm. Tugnaw ang panahon. It's really a bad weather. It's cuddle weather. It's not kuan ba. Nami pa kay iligid, but we have to wake up early. The nice thing in going out early is that you can avoid, traffic. It's really, I noticed yesterday, although I didn't record mo, biyahin ako in the afternoon. Oh, it's kuan. The traffic is kuan. It's really, really kuan. Heavy in many areas, especially kuan. Especially the usual areas that I go to, like let's say mga IT park area, even mga, of course, Escario, that one, and then kanamong lapit sa balay. That's why now I'm avoiding even the F Cabahog entrance, especially in the afternoon. Grabe ang traffic there. I don't know, there's a bottleneck there, or sometimes the cops don't know how to manage the traffic, but yeah, we could go na lang basta daghang volume diha. I can't really go on what's the major cause, but a lot of factors, I would say.
Caution, merging road ahead.
So mosaka lang ta sa flyover sa Talamban para since squad pa man. Since we're still around 7 minutes. Lahat ako mag Christmas sounds pero magtabi na lang ta. Yeah, it's almost 7 days before Christmas, and I think sa United States daghan ang nakakuha sa vaccine. Sa Pilipinas nagkuha pa ta. We're waiting and waiting. I don't know, na yung mga news na naanak ko ng mga vaccine sa mga Binondo. Some, of course, are smuggled vaccines. Maybe that's the new thing. Yeah, you wanna go ahead, but if ever you do that, of course, you need a doctor that is gonna be part of your syndicate, doctor or nurse, because they're gonna be the ones properly, the instructions, the proper instructions, how much air should be in the injection. I mean, so mga kuan ba na technicalities na, and how often, when's your next vaccination. I think it's not a one-shot vaccination, so but yes, the vaccines are out in many countries. Sa states na so wow, mingaw pa kay Talamban, no? The last time I was here was one day ay bagura when magian nato when Tagala chicken butterfly opened its new branch here in Talamban. Magian nato. They're not open yet. I think they're open mga 8 o'clock pa. So 8 to 8 I think. But yeah, over there to the left we have the Tagala chicken butterfly. Ding 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 ding. Hello Tagala. Masarap talaga. Ulitin mo pa. Yes. This is now the USC Talamban. Yeah. So parang ginig hapon. Yeah, it feels like it's it's so dark pa mo lagi nang lamig kay katug. So actually when I go home, probably mag-edit tagamay. But I wanna sleep. I wanna lie down. Bugnaw kay katri, bugnaw kay kuan. Bugnaw panahon. Lami ligid. So pasensya na, it's a bit dark kasi kuan, I try to adjust the brightness ani para lang nasa Miss Mamang Taxi sa family park, huh? Sa iyo kayo. Welcome to the family park. So wala mo right turn na tama daw sa Cabangcalan, and that's our entrance to kuan, yes. Dapit sa North Town. Wala to entrance sa city. But as you can see, early in the morning, nga ni kayong oras mo gawas. Nindot imong biyahe. Hassle free. Ano lang, oh? Free flowing. Pero sa una, at this time, sad, if you come here in this area at this time or last year, mga 2019, this area is so traffic as well because there's USC Talamban, there's a lot of schools, there's Sacred Heart, there's Ateneo de Cebu, there's so many schools, there's Children's Paradise Montessori, there's so many schools in this area. By Maria Montessori, I think. Basta daghang schools diri na, yes, na medyo traffic ni na area. But well, no classes may mga bata. And besides, if December 16 day, yeah, maybe probably today would be the Christmas party na di ay. Sa mga kids, unta, virtual na lang tingali. But Christmas party na rin sa mga offices. So, Merry Christmas diha. I hope kapalit na mong regalo sa inyong manito. Kanang tarong na regalo. Basig nanguan mo. Basig, hinoon. Basig magsinabtan na lang ta. Pwede i-recycle ang gifts. Pwede rin pang hatag na kuwan. Pero wala, bitaw, pag matamanito mo ay, and you know, take a little care sa naman. Hopefully di mo magminaro sa manito. Oh yeah. So guys, what's the kuan man? What's the most memorable gift na inyong nadawat sa manito? Diba? Or do you get mad when you join a manito ba na yun, sabot kintay 200 ya ikaw planado kay nindot kay imong regalo sa imong manita yun dayon ang imong nadawat di ka happy. I mean kuan kay imong nadawat kana na why ayaw you kuan or pag masakitan mo ana paglagot mo. Was there even a time na reklamo ka or ni-confront ka sa imong manito about, you know, about the gift? Yeah, it would be fun if ito nga lang usahay, but especially kung mga kids ba ka na bang nako na yung mga kids sa una na lami kay mga candy, chocolate ang gihatag ya, ikaw nakadawat kag Tide bar. Kaya ang parents may nipalit. So sabi ni wag mga wala kay chichirya o chocolate sa imong gihatag sa imong manita, Tide bar ang imong nadawat. Oh my. Sa putol ka unsa na nimong Tide bar. Manglaba ka. Pero yes, it happens. Although sahay lagi wala parents unsa na mabunlot malay Banilad sahay sa, although yagim sila tagbata, but I guess sometimes unsa masinday mama wa koy pang manito ya karon ra ka sa bata ba nagsulti daan, so unsa na lay mabunlot sa bahay. Ano diba? At if white tindahan diya dool or unsa saan lay mabunlot diha. Okay, usahay lagi wala sa mga batang di magsulti. So mao na Christmas na gyud. nagplano naman mo sa inyong Noche Buena. Sa inyong mga plano na may mga lechon, ham, bongga ba? Mana, I hope bongga gihapon. Mana, maluoy lang ko sa mga baboy yung panahon na. Bonggang bongga gid sila, pila ka kababoy ang ihawon. You know, next week para pila ka baboy ihawon next week para lechonon. Not only lechonon gani. So, di ba? Speaking day ko say katawanan man kay ni ato ko Landers ni aging adlaw. Oh, I'm quite surprised din nindot sa din sila selection sa baboy magdaghan ba klase-klase kita kay kag mga paklayonon dito. So money, nata, their way. Wow. Farmers. Wala. So doon lang sa to this is the Hernan Cortez Street. So early morning pa lang. So nami pa kay biyahe ba Nandot mo ito ang daan kung basa. Pero careful lang dahil, by the way, especially mga gamotor, mga bisikleta, kung dangog ang dalan, ay lang saan mo pagpabulhot. Just kasi daghan mas slide nga, yeah. You know, because there were times last week, I think, na nandisgrasya sa SRP due to slippery roads. So wala, take extra care. So mana, thank you so much for watching this joining me sa akong biyahe bay. Nagtabi-tabi ta, and little did we know na natadiri. So thank you so much for listening, watching, and supporting. And yeah, keep on supporting this sa town atong munting vlog. Kung pa mo ka subscribe na. And mana, see you na sad ugma for another drive. Kuan kita. Happy na ba Pasko. So see you na sad ugma. And I'm nag-enjoy you ko today. Kalmara kaayo. Ganahan ako matugog balik. So mana, bye.